The number of reflexive relations on a set A of n elements is equal to A, B, C and D. We know that diagonal elements of A are same, that is 1 1 2 2 so on n. Total number of elements here n, and total number of elements of matrix A is n square and diagonal elements is n, so remaining term is n square minus n. So total number of reflexive relation is 2 to the power n square minus n. This is equal to 2 to the power n into n minus 1. So C option is correct.